morning, everyone! Happy Sunday to all. I'm back to my blog, and this is about math, a review of my past lesson for my students and to those students who are outside of my class, to those teachers who are willing to relearn their maths, and other people who are interested in this field. Now, there are two things that I would like to introduce to you. Here we have one is the reasoning by inductive reasoning from specific to general, specific observations and make a general rule, a conclusion. And this is a study that to prove that an inductive reasoning is not at all time correct. So it is simply a conjecture, a speculation. So I have here the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And notice that the last dot has no answer. That is what we're going to establish. And the next, we have the number of regions 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. And notice that I have written here already the answer 32 because this is the common answer provided by my students when I asked them, what's your answer? 32. How did you get your answer? We double each region and to arrive to the next number of regions. So which is correct because when you double 1, that's 2. When you double 2, that is 4. When you double 4, that is 8. And when you double 8, that is 16. So definitely, you will make a conclusion that doubling 16, that will give you 32. What is the next thing that we're going to consider now? We're going to prove that this answer is wrong. That I told you that conjecture is either true or false, or the inductive reasoning is not at all time true. That is why don't get angry when our NASA, our forecast, weather forecast will not be correct because it is simply a conjecture. It is simply a forecast which is subject to be either true or false because that is simply based from previous data. So let us try to have here a circle to prove that this is the answer, that is 32, is not correct. Okay, so it's going to be proven here. Okay, let us have this first dot. The first dot, how many regions are there? Only one region. The next one, let us have the second dot here, opposite to it, and connect. So we connect. Count the number of regions, 1, 2. So correct, it's correct. There are 2 dots, 2 regions. When we have 3 dots, let's connect it here. This one, that one, then how many regions are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's correct, it's 4. If we'll have 4 dots, then let's connect its dot now. Then we have here, then this one. So how many regions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 regions. Now here, let us try to add one more dots to establish the 5th dot in the circle and to count the number of regions. Here, connect, 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 connect. Okay, so how many regions are there? When you have 5, you have 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16 regions. If we have, which is correct here. If we have 6, let us try to connect. If we have 6, it's connected here, then connect it here. Then you connect it here, then you connect it here, then you connect it here. Notice that this region here, this one here, this is already covered the area. But if you will have a better figure, like a bigger circle and a straight edge material, this area will be seen. So which is our 31st? There are 31 region actually, which is our actual answer. So if you want to prove it yourself, then draw it again and make a count of the number of regions. So that is why this answer that is 32 is wrong and this is correct. That makes the conjecture true or false or just simply speculation. Thus, it is subject to be wrong. So, our answer is 31. Thank you and good morning. Please like me on Facebook, visit my YouTube channel, Crisanto Di Quito Pansito, subscribe, comment, and share so that I'll be able to notify you or YouTube will notify you for more posts in mathematics. Thank you and happy Sunday. Please watch for my assignment and you can, in my Facebook account, I'll put some questions there and for you to answer, just send your answer in my messenger. So I'll check it and you will get the feedback. So you can participate anytime in my post. Thank you.